Hello guys, I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about rectangle and rotate tool in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. In this video, we will see the rectangle and rotate command in AutoCAD 2021. And for rectangle, go to Home tab and into the Draw panel. Here is your rectangle command. Active your rectangle command. Now in the command line it prompts you chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. We can check all of these points step by step. Now the first point is chamfer. Now click on chamfer. It prompts you specify first chamfer distance of rectangle and specify the 9 inches. Now it is saying second chamfer distance of rectangle also 9 inches and press enter. Now specify first corner and specify the second corner. In this way we can make our rectangle on chamfer. Now the second point of rectangle is elevation. Click on elevation and give the distance 3 feet and press enter. Now create your rectangle. What is the mean by the elevation? If I select my rectangle, here in the properties you see the elevation point, the Z value is 3 feet, and to check it, if I use the orbit, now here you can see our rectangle is 3 feet up from the plan. To go back, click on top. So in this way we can make our rectangle on elevation. Now see the third point. Go to rectangle again. Now select the fillet and give the radius 1 feet for both sides. Specify the first point and the second point. In this way we can use the radius in the rectangle tool. Now see the fourth point. Click on rectangle and click on thickness. If I want to give thickness 6 inches to my rectangle, click on 6 inches and enter. So in this way you can show your thickness. Now if I want to remove these fillet, for that go to rectangle and put the 0 value. Now if I create the rectangle, it's on simple geometry. So in this way we use our rectangle tool. Now we see the rotate tool. You can find this tool from the Home tab and into the Modify panel, and here is your rotate tool. If we want to rotate this object and it is a bed block on 45 degree, select this, go to rotate tool. Now in the command line it prompts you the specify the base point. So specify the base point. Now if I want to rotate this object in a XY plane, I just give the direction like this. In any direction you can rotate this object like this in the XY plane. Now if I want to rotate this object on inclined or any angle, select rotate tool, give the base point and turn off the ortho mode. Now if I give the angle 45 degree and press enter, now this bed block rotate on 45 degree. To check it, draw a horizontal line and click on angular. Now you see it is on 45 degree. In this way we can rotate our objects. So guys, this is the video about rectangle and rotate. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, see you soon in the next video.